Hello, this is video 4 on the Oregon car. This car is going to Salem, Oregon. The customer wanted us to do some preventative maintenance on the vehicle. He asked for us to have the timing chain and tensioners renewed, so then he knew this car would last him forever. So we're going ahead and doing it, and each upgrade we do and each servicing item and maintenance we do, we're making a video of it for him and to also share on YouTube. And just a personal note, today's my birthday, and I just had one of my friends call me and ask me what I'm doing, expecting me to be at a bar or something somewhere. And I said, you know, I'm already doing what I love to do, making Crown Victorias available to the public and law enforcement. And I love my job, and I've just had an ice cream cake, so I'm as happy as a clam, and doing what I love to do. You know, these Crown Victorias, police vehicles, I really have a passion for them. So hi to Salem, Oregon. Here's your next video. We'll be making videos each thing we do on the vehicle. We had a previous one of the differential limited slip 355 rear end going in like the Saline Mustangs would have. So we'll just keep you abreast. So click on our YouTube, check it out, and you'll find out all about Crown Victoria Police Interceptors. Have a good day, my friends. Be safe out there.